Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Wonder Cookroom. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video we are going to make delicious chicken biryani. So keep on watching the video. Also like the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's start with what you need. Firstly, take 3 glasses of rice, wash them and soak them in water. Then take 6 to 7 big tomatoes, or you can take half a kg of tomatoes. Moving on to the next ingredient, we need 1 kg of chicken. A full chicken would add more flavor to your biryani, but it's up to you if you want to take boneless chicken. Moving on to the spices, we would be needing 8 pieces of black pepper, 4 pieces of cloves, 3-inch cinnamon stick, 2 to 3 bay leaves, 3 green cardamom, 3 pieces of black cardamom, salt as per your taste, orange food color 1 pinch, 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste, a pinch of saffron, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder or as per your taste, 1 teaspoon of kevra essence, half a cup of milk to add the color, 1 cup of yogurt and 2 large size lemon or as per you like. For the end, we would be needing 3 to 4 green chilies and we would cut them and put them, half a bunch of fresh coriander, or if you have dried, that will go 1 teaspoon, mint leaves half a bunch or half teaspoon dried. Then we would be needing 5 to 6 large onions and cut them vertically like I am doing so. After we are done with the cutting, we would be deep frying them and then using them later. You can even store these. Once we are done collecting the ingredients, we would start the making process. In a large pot, add 1 cup of oil. Then add the 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste and make it a little goldenish brown. Now add the chicken and cook it on high heat for like 15 to 20 minutes or till the water is dried out and the chicken is golden brown. Now add the fried onions, yogurt and all the spices I have told you before. Stir it well and reduce the heat to medium. Add the tomatoes here, either crushed or in cubes, plus you can add dried prunes or dried aloo bukhara. You will see it's done when all the water is dried and the oil is being seen, just like this. Once you are done, keep it aside to keep it warm, or if you want it to cool down, dish it out. Now we would be making the rice. In a large pot, take 10 glasses of water and add salt as per your taste for 3 glasses of water. Add the soaked rice into the water and bring it to a boil till the rice are 80 to 90% done. Make sure you stir them time to time so that all the rice are equally done, and now strain it and keep it aside. Mine looks something like this. Now we would be taking half a cup of milk and adding the food color to it as we are moving to the assembling process of the biryani. Now take a large pot, add a layer of rice, almost half of the rice we cooked, and then on the top of this add the masala. Here we added all the masala we cooked on the second layer so that it is merged with the upper layer as well. After spreading over the masala, we would be adding the leftover rice and making a plain layer of it, and then adding the food color. It is your choice how you add it. And now we would be sprinkling over the coriander, mint leaves and the green chilies. Cut the green chilies to make it more flavorful. Now you can also add the kevra essence. Put on the lid of the pot and place it on a tawa on a medium heat to let it cook, or what is called dum. After 20 minutes, we would be opening the lid and our biryani is ready. We would give it a good mix and you can see how good it looks. Our chicken biryani is ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you find the recipe helpful, do comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this recipe with your friends. Enjoy!